If you're looking to reduce your energy bills while embracing renewable energy, a solar water heater is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home in 2025. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 solar water heater options available on Amazon that can meet various home and outdoor needs. Let's begin with the 4 Patriots Sun Kettle, a compact and portable solar water heater ideal for emergencies, camping, or outdoor use. This vacuum-insulated kettle holds about 16.9 ounces of water and heats up using just sunlight, no electricity, batteries, or gas required. It's perfect for boiling water for coffee, tea, or sterilization in survival situations. Despite its small size, it's incredibly effective and heats water in as little as 30 minutes under full sun. Its portability and simplicity make it a must-have for emergency kits, hikers, or anyone going off-grid. At around $11.99, it's also extremely affordable and a great introduction to solar water heating technology. Next is the Intex Solar Pool Water Heater Mat. Designed for above-ground swimming pools, this product provides a low-cost and eco-friendly way to gradually raise your pool's temperature without relying on gas or electric heating. The mat connects directly to your existing filter pump and circulates the water through the solar-heated surface. It works best for pools up to 8,000 gallons and can increase the water temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit over several days. The mat is made of durable PVC and rolls up for easy storage when not in use. At just over $30, it's a budget-friendly solution for anyone looking to extend their swimming season without a huge investment. Moving up in scale, the SunHeater S240U solar pool heating system offers serious performance for residential pool owners. This system includes two 2-foot by 20-foot polypropylene panels that can be mounted on a roof or on the ground. Water is pumped through the panels, heated by the sun, and then returned to your pool. This design is ideal for homeowners who want a more permanent solution for heating larger pools. It's capable of raising water temperatures by 6 to 10 degrees and is designed to work with your existing pool pump. With pricing around $225, it strikes a good balance between efficiency and long-term value. For those wanting a more efficient and modern solution, consider the Aukivon 2025 upgraded solar pool heater. This kit includes 2 curved HDPE solar panels with adjustable feet that allow you to position the system for maximum sun exposure. The curved design enhances solar absorption throughout the day, improving the overall heating efficiency. It's suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools and can be set up easily with included hose attachments and hardware. The panels are built for durability and UV resistance, ensuring long-term performance. At approximately $319, this system is more expensive than entry-level models but delivers excellent heating capability with improved materials and design. Finally, the Kirumie solar pool heater with telescopic legs is a versatile system designed for homeowners who want flexible placement and reliable heating. This system features telescopic mounting legs that allow you to adjust the angle of the solar panel depending on your available space and the direction of the sun. It comes with all necessary hoses and adapters, making setup relatively simple. The panel also features a transparent cover that traps heat more effectively and prevents wind cooling, making it efficient even in breezy or partly cloudy conditions. Priced around $166, the Kirumie is a great mid-range option for pool owners seeking both performance and portability.